This is the card wargame project for week 9. The project has 4 JavaScript class files: card, deck, players, and wargame, and plus an HTML file. The card class has a constructor with some getters and setter methods. Each card object can describe themselves and knows its value. The deck class has a constructor where the deck is built using an array of card objects. The deck can shuffle the cards, um, can draw a card and describe itself. Use a describe method for it and shuffle and even draw a card. The player class has a constructor which sets the following instance variables property: player's hand, the player's score, and the player's name. The player can build its own hand, describe its hand, flip a card, and draw from the deck and increment its scores. The wargame file, class files, it drives the game and it has all the logic to run the game. It calls the other classes that I mentioned before and perform certain actions during the game. Let's see a demonstration. You just type on this and you can see that the game ran, and I'm showing you on the bottom here. Since the game started, each iteration it collects the scores for each player and so on until the game ends and it declares who is the winner. So in this instance, player 1 has 13 points and player 2 has 13 points, so it's a draw. Let's run it again. And this time we can see that player 1 has 15 points and player 2 has 10 points. Therefore, player 1 is the winner. And the HTML file, we have the script tags where I call in the different cards, the different classes. The war games JavaScript has this. The constructor has a deck, it has players, and we have some variable that we use to just keep control of where the game is going, how the game is going. As a start method, which that's a driver, and over here talking about game begins, and we're just looping and deal the player's hands, and over here the players are flipping their hands, and that's how we awarding points. And then down here we're printing the scores. That's all there was to it in this project.